These are images from a crisis which is spreading. Images captured by ITV News in the 7 weeks since famine was declared. Refugees on the move, but today people are fleeing in even greater numbers. Children suffering from starvation, but if anything, the suffering has grown since. The UN says the scope of the famine in Somalia has expanded. Today it added the country's Bay region to the area in crisis, meaning 6 regions are now officially famine areas. 4 million people are now affected by drought and starvation in the country. That's half the population. 750,000 are at risk of dying. And yet the grim set of news statistics suggests that the peak of this crisis has not yet been reached.
I think that what we're reporting is a continued deterioration in the situation in Somalia. This is the most serious harvest failure that Somalia has had in 17 years.
There are other growing problems too, like fresh outbreaks of measles affecting victims with immune systems eroded by malnutrition. Some groups which have tried to help have found that elsewhere many cannot be reached. After all, it's some of the most dangerous, least accessible places where famine's grip has tightened. But famines rarely happen in peaceful nations. Rain this autumn won't be enough if violence continues. And although money might not be the only answer, the UN says much more of it is still needed. Rohit Kachroo, ITV News.